Thanks to Federico, the subscriber who gave the idea for this tutorial. Let's go. Let's prepare and save the animation in MotionBuilder. If you are new, my channel has tutorials on preparing animations and on story mode. Links are in the description. Import animation into Maya. In Maya, select the body and head mesh. Export an alembic file. Let's bring our alembic into Marvelous Designer. Let's put some clothes on the character and click on Simulation. Let's fix the pants that penetrate into the legs. Let's go to the animation and click on the camera icon to bake clothes simulation. Baking is successful. And now method on a budget. Let's import our FBX animation into Blender. Don't get scared, just rotate the mesh 180 degrees along the x-axis. Let's check how it works. Let's trim the timeline and export the animation in alembic format. In Marvelous Designer, everything is exactly the same as with alembic from Maya.